Okay, so this is the easiest way to copy a schedule from one project to another. You just go to the project browser, right click on the schedule that you want to copy, just select copy to clipboard, and then in your new project, make sure to have some type of view that you can copy to. For example, let's just create one. So let's go to view and let's create a drafting view. Just call it whatever. We will delete it afterward, so just call it whatever. Now you can go to the modify tab, paste, and then paste from clipboard. Let's click OK, and it will come. So you will get your schedule and it will be populated as well. And now if you see your drafting view doesn't have anything, just a way to bring this schedule. And now you can actually delete it. So we can do right click, find a project browser, and there is our view. We can just delete it. Right, so in that way we have our title block, the same one that we wanted to in both projects.